All right, so third grade, you have sound-alike words for Unit 11, and I think these are the ones that kids get tripped up on the most. So the first set, it's and its. Now, this is really confusing because one of them is a contraction, it is. The other one is used to show ownership. So, the one with an apostrophe is the contraction. So if you want to say, it's raining outside, you're going to use this one because this one is the contraction, it is. So if I wanted to say, it's raining, I could say, it is raining. Now, raining is not a one-to-one word. Rain is not a one-to-one, so I'm not doubling that in. It is raining. But I want to say, it's raining. And we just learned in the other video that when you use I, the I becomes the apostrophe and the is. So, it's raining. It's raining, it's raining. Apostrophe S. It's snowing. It's hot out. It's a cloudy day. It is. If you can substitute it is, then you know it's the one with the apostrophe. So what's this other it's? The other it's is showing ownership. So if you want to say its wing, its leg. Now, who's its? It is a pronoun. So if you were talking about a tiger and you were saying a tiger was running and tripped and hurt its leg. So who's its? The tiger. So if you want to say it's hurt the tiger hurt its leg. Whose leg? Its leg. The tiger's leg, right? But there's no, I don't want you to think that's an apostrophe. There's no apostrophe in that, right? Whose leg? Its leg. It's showing ownership. And you wouldn't say the tiger hurt it is leg. That makes no sense. The tiger hurt it is leg. That doesn't make any sense. So it's, without an apostrophe, shows ownership. If you want to say, the butterfly couldn't, I'm going to use a contraction, couldn't fly because of its hurt wing. Its hurt wing. I'm not going to use the contraction, it is. That makes no sense. I wouldn't say the butterfly couldn't fly because of it is hurt wing. No, you use its without the apostrophe. Remember, if you want to know, to remember which it's to use, if you cannot plug in it is, then do not put the apostrophe. The apostrophe goes with the contraction it is. The other it's without the apostrophe shows ownership. The tiger hurt its leg. The butterfly couldn't fly because of its hurt wing. Let that sink in. It's with an apostrophe is it is. The other it's shows ownership. Okay, so third grade, the next set of sound-alike words that are very tricky. There are adults that still can't get this right. There, there, and there. There are 3 theirs. There. There. And there. Now, I think this one here, if you can see it, is the easiest because it's a contraction, right? They are. They're coming to my house. They're coming. They are coming. They're coming. It's a contraction. Now, we have not learned how to make a contraction with are yet, but I'm going to show you. They, the A becomes the apostrophe, and the R-E is at the end. They're coming. So this one is the easiest. When it has the apostrophe, you ask yourself, can I substitute the words they are? If you can say they are for there, then you know it's going to be the contraction there. They are there. This there shows ownership. So it means someone owns something. Their dog, their house. Their dog is lost. Whose dog? Their dog. Now, this, because it's showing ownership, you're talking about a person, that can kind of look like a person, that I. So, their dog, the one that shows ownership, has the I. I think that's the trickiest one. It's even tricky to spell. T-H-E-I-R, there. That's the trickiest. This there is like here and there. So if you can spell the word here and you can substitute here and there, then you know this is how you spell it. So if you want to say, there are 5 buttons, or there are 5 buttons on his shirt. There are. So if I want to say there are 3 buttons on the floor. There are 3 buttons on the floor. Could I say here are 3 buttons on the floor? I could. That makes sense. So if you can substitute here for there, then you know it's spelled like the one here and there. So here and there. Here, there. Here you are. There you are. There you are. Here, that would be a capital. Here you are. There you go. Here you go. Here and there. There, there, there. They're the contraction. They are. They're coming tonight. They are coming tonight. This there with the I shows ownership. Their dog is lost. And this there that has the word here in it can be substituted for here and there. That's how you can remember that. Let it sink in.